everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheena and I'm the owner and founder of Christian Creative Mental. On my channel I do videos all about mental health and Christianity. Today we're going to be doing another Bible journaling prompts, God's love for you. So let's go! So today we are looking at John 15:9, and it says, "As the Father has loved me, I also love you." And we're going to do some watercoloring today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out, and I'm actually just going to get the whole page wet, or the majority of the page wet. Make sure I have paper behind one page, because I got some new watercolors, and I am super excited to use them, and I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking. I tried to make it so that there would not be any dogs barking for this video, but it seems like somebody always wants to bark. So I'm going to get the page wet, because the thing with watercolor is you just need more water. Watercolor never seems to have, it's just add more water. If it's not working, add more water. More water, more water, more water. So I'm going to start out, I'm just going to kind of put some red across the center and just kind of blend it out, make it a pretty watercolor page. And I'm going to add a little bit more red down here at the bottom. So at the bottom I want more color, and at the top I'm going to do less color. So at the top, and I'm actually want to blend the bottom from red into a black. So I'm going to get some more water. And then I'm going to pick up a little black, and I'm going to start at the bottom with the black because it's going to be so dark, and I think I need some more water. And I'm just going to work a little bit of black. I'm going to put some more water down here at the bottom, so then the colors can just kind of start fusing together. And add a little bit more black and just kind of spread it out. Just kind of fuse the colors into one another. And this isn't a black, I think it's called like a gray. So there we go, and that just kind of fuses the colors together. Now I'm going to rinse my brush out because I don't want any more of that black in there. And when I rinse my brush out, I'm actually going to dry my brush because I want to make sure I got rid of all of the black. Get some more red, and I'm going to get my brush wet. So I have a clean water and a dirty water whenever I'm watercoloring. So then I can rinse my brush in the dirty one, and I can pick up more color, more water in the clean one. And I just want to add a little bit more color to the page, because I am going to end up kind of blending this from a pink, this is kind of like, it's actually like called rose, I believe. But we're going to blend it from a red into a white. So I'm going to go ahead and put some more water down on the top part of the page. And like I said, the trick with watercolor is more water, which is one reason why I'm so excited about this Bible, because the pages are thicker, so it just makes it easier to watercolor in them with actual watercolors. And I don't know if I'm actually going to use any white or not, because that's kind of worked out where it's blended out so well. I think that looks really good. Okay, so now that I'm happy with I want a little more red kind of in the dark part down here. I'm going to pick up just a little bit of pink to add in down here at the bottom where it's black, or where I put the gray. Actually, I think it's the color it's called. Just to get the page kind of a good ombre, where it has a nice little fade. I think that looks really good. So now I'm going to dry the page. Okay, I love the way that looks. I think it turned out so pretty. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take another piece of paper. And this is just to kind of protect my surface, because I'm going to paint some chipboard letters to put on here. And I have these chipboard letters that I got from a retreat a couple of years ago, and I have not used them. And I found them the other day, and I was like, ooh, I forgot all about those. So I decided I was going to start using them. And I'm going to paint loved on here. And I just have, it is called Fuchsia. So I'm going to shake it up real good, make sure it's mixed up, and squirt some of it into my little painting container, and then I'm just going to lay these letters out and paint them. Okay, now I have those painted and dried. I think they look really good. Get them off of this piece of paper that's got some wetness on it. And I'm going to use these Elmer's Craft Bond Adhesive Permanent Squares. They are 1/2-inch squares to attach them into the Bible. Okay, there we go. I think that looks super cute, and it says loved to remind you that you're loved by God. I'm going to take this washi tape. I don't know, I was originally planning on taking this washi tape and finishing out the page down the side. Just a little more red where my page is a little more pink. I think I am going to go ahead and do it. And just lay it down real smooth. I'm going to take my scissors and just trim off the edge of the tape. Trim it up here. Sorry if I'm getting in the way of the camera. I think I'm going to put it across the bottom too. There we go. I don't have enough room to put it across the top. But I am going to take this ribbon. This is some red ribbon that I had that I thought looked good with it. I wish I had used pink washi tape, but I did want to bring some red and pink in together. And I'm going to take this ribbon, I'm going to cut it. This is like the only piece of red ribbon that I had left. So I'm going to cut it several times, and I'm just matching up the ends and then cutting the other end. And then I have one end that is not straight, so I'm actually going to clip all of those ends, and then I think that's enough. I'm going to take those and I'm going to loop it in this paper clip, pull them through the end, pull it really tight, and actually pull each individual one also, so then they'll stay. I don't feel like they want to stay on this paper clip like I was hoping they would. and I'm actually going to trim that down. Probably could have cut them one more time and had them about the length that I wanted them. But there we go. And then I'm going to attach that paper clip in here. Probably going to take some hot glue and put it on the back right here just to kind of make those ribbons stay, and I'm actually going to kind of spread them out also, so then it kind of has a feathered look across the top of the page. And I didn't do the best job trimming them when I clipped them, so I'll probably go back and fix that so that the edge looks better. But I'll have to find my hot glue and attach that ribbon to the paper clip with the hot glue because it's not wanting to stay on this ribbon. And then I'm just going to attach it into my Bible. So if you liked this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.